Yeah, calm the nerves. Where's the soju?
Ramen contest. The first place winner will be getting $1,000 in Bitcoin.
Let's do it. Let's win this. Alright, we're gonna do it, yeah? For $1,000.
Hey.
Let's go.
We're gonna win, eh? We're gonna win.
Number one right here.
Champion. Just take the L out.
30 minutes to finish this competition. If you finish, please raise your hand to let us know. Thank you.
I know.
먼저 몇만 넣어주세요. 몇만이요. 감사합니다. Only the noodles, please. First, put in. Sauce packets in right now. Thank you. 이렇게 줘주세요. 감사합니다. Contestants, are you ready? Please give Richard your hand. Thank you.
What? Oh my god. Easy.
I'm done.
Easy. Hey, I think I have a little more than everybody else.
It's like
$1,000, baby.
All right,
everyone else.
Are you ready? We will get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! May the best winner win. Let's go!
it's so hot.
Go. We're gonna win this. It's hot. Oh my. This is not it. This is. Bro. Noodles
To the contestant that finishes, please raise your hand when you are done. Please shout, I am done when you are finished. Thank you. Let's go. Everybody, please give a round of applause. Let's go.
God, this is so much.
Please give them that one. They need it. Thank you so much.
Oh my.
I need it like.
I'm terrible. I don't think I've eaten anything. I feel like I've ate a lot. Bro, you're moving through that.
Table number 2, he's killing it right now. Please give a round of applause.
Good it.
You are finished. Thank you. For any damages to your body, this is all up to you. All right. Thanks so much. Good luck. Let's cheer the contestants. Give it up for them. Let's go. Let's go.
Look at that. My guy over here. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Let's go. Christian is almost done as well. Please give it up. Let's go. Joe is almost done as well. Give it up. All right, we have someone that's second place. Second place. Come on. He is done. First contestant has finished at the 15-minute mark. Just know, you do have to finish chewing all the food in your mouth as well.
Oh, he had a You need to put this on.
Oh my God, okay. We do have the next contestant. What's your name? Andy, finished. I'm so sorry. Andy is first place winner.
Oh my god.
Good joke.
That shit's crazy.
Please raise your bowl. We have a second winner. Give it up! All right. So if you can have the first place and second place winner in this middle table, that would be great. Every other contestant, thank you for trying out. I appreciate you guys. Please do not throw up. If you feel like throwing up, please let the staff know. And I appreciate you guys. Be healthy. Thank you.